Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the ORLY Futurism Collection. It is slotted as Orly's Holiday Collection. So we're gonna go through the swatches and see what it's all about. And it comes in a box like this. It's just a little tray. I love that. I think that's so cool. And they even have like a bit of glue on the back just to keep the bottles in place. But I absolutely love this type of packaging. It's really neat, really sleek. This is a 6-piece set. I'm really excited to share these swatches. They're really interesting. And we'll get into a little bit more about this collection as we do the swatches and the final review at the end. Do you like my new sweater? Yeah. Oh, now that you brought it up, I did open my new shop. It is for the nail polish fan slash nail polish obsessed individuals who are looking for some fan gear, merch. I was like, okay, I love nail polish and I want everybody to know it. I don't care. We got some sweaters going on and we got these little enamel pens. I don't know if you can see it. I am obsessed with them, obsessed with nail polish. Is that wrong? I don't know. But anyway, they're in the shop. It's wetpaintgiftshop.com. I also do have it in the background, just in case you decided to forget. It's over there. Check it out. Please share about this shop. It's wetpaintgiftshop.com. They are for the nail polish obsessed. Yeah, I don't know. That's not a song, but I just made that. But anyways, I got the hoodie on. It's really comfortable. It is true to size and it's a print. It's like a print onto the sweaters and I'm so happy that I can share that I finally launched it. Those who have made purchases already, thank you so much for your support. I hope you love these as much as I do. Anyways, back to the original video. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the swatching.
First up is FLUIDITY. This is a metallic silver polish and it's got a little bit of holographic glitters in there. This one has to be, I would say this one is my favorite. I think it's the most holiday-like polish of the entire collection. And it's just so shimmery. Can't go wrong with glitter and hollow, of course. The formula is a little bit thin, but it builds up really nicely into 2 coats. Next is ASCENSION, and this is a metallic light blue shimmer. And I really love this shade of blue. It's very, very soft, very calm. And I really like this one as well for the holidays. It is really pretty and a really great addition to the color palette. Next is Industrial Playground. This one is a pearly silver to purple shimmer. And this one is probably actually my least favorite, but I really do like the application. And of course, you're seeing that shimmer throughout. And when you see it in the bottle, it does look very gray, but when you apply it, I feel like the purple really shines through a lot more strongly than it seems. Probably one of my least favorites though, but I do really like it. Forward Momentum is another metallic and it's got a gray to purple shimmer to it. Really, really pretty. Love, love, love the color combination. Again, these colors are really pretty, but not really giving that holiday vibe, but in their own right, I do find these polishes quite pretty and they are very futuristic looking. Can't really complain too much about that. I feel these polishes very much are on theme. Dynamism, and this is a neutral brown to purple shimmer. It's got a pearly finish to it. It's more of the pearlescent finishes of the polishes from this collection. Really, really gorgeous. I love the color combination between the 2 colors. I'm not a fan of the pearl finish, but I really do like this color. This urban landscape, and this is a metallic green shimmer, and the green in this one really is futuristic looking. I feel like it's leans more minty. I love this shade of green. It's really versatile as well. My gripe, I guess, would be is just, are they holiday though? Does this scream holiday collection? I mean, I wouldn't say so, but it's definitely a gorgeous combination of colors and a really gorgeous color palette.
So what did we feel about this collection? Let me just say a couple words. First of all, I was not expecting this to be a holiday collection. I don't know. I really like the theme. I mean, I love space futuristic sort of themes and such, but I was like, I don't know how that ties into holidays. I don't know if I'm the only one on that, but yeah, I mean, the colors are just not like, there's nothing here that's holiday like. Maybe this one could be holiday, I don't know. I would probably see this more as spring release. I would even take summer, even though those aren't really summery, but I would just not holiday. I mean, they're so cute though. Holiday season, I do love when brands kind of go outside the box and want to try something new, try a different take on the typical holiday colors. However, I feel like this one misses the mark. As a collection within itself, it is nice. Is this a favorite? No, I'm just not the biggest fan of metallics or of pearlescent polishes. So this one really isn't a collection for me in general. However, that's not to take away from anyone else who does like those types of shades or finishes. One thing I like about Orly is that they keep us guessing. I really do feel that this brand has different things going on with every season in terms of color choice and theme. I'm just not really for this one, but you know, okay. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.